trick. You want me to show you a magic trick? You do? Alright. Well, you're going to have to sit over here for a minute. Let me do it right quick, okay? Alright. Tell me how you like it when they get done. Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you the coolest magic trick you'll ever see in your life. Nothing on either side, nothing against the top and the bottom, nothing in my hands, you know, nothing nowhere. Alright, you ready for this trick? Here it goes. Here we go. I got one, right? Watch this. Get it all covered up there real good. Make sure that everything's all right and corrected and everything. Now you go, abracadabra. Good trick, wasn't it? Gotta go. Really? Well, there you have it. How'd you like the trick, little pig? It's a good one, wasn't it? Oh, what was that there? That was not stupid either. And you need to calm down. I ain't showing you no more tricks. You're too mean.